Y'all screaming at me because I want marshmallow. He ate almost the whole bag.
Camera, you on camera, so you might.
She's recording.
Hi.
Where? Yeah. Welcome to the political party.
Do it like your kid was doing.
Stop it. What are you doing?
I'm asking somebody to shake it.
Wait, it's gonna be getting shaken harder than that.
Come on, please. It's like a lamb.
It just
Archie,
Please stop.
we're getting the tape. Go get the 12 centimeters. I said 12 to go
Mess
get
with
the
the
12
thing.
centimeters.
You're gonna mess it up.
Go get the 12 centimeters of tape. I just told you.
Remember, you're still on camera, so watch your choice of words.
Stop. I told you to go get the 12 centimeters.
She just said she needed 6 Big Mama marshmallows.
What?
now it's like, go stretch out. Watch.
She needs 6 Big Mama marshmallows.
I got my words.
Where can be Big Mama?
I like that.
Yes, that's funny.
That's actually better. Because
it
it
grips
used
it
to stretch out.
All right, now shake it a little bit. Y'all can go now. Broke the sketty.
Go buy another one.
Mr. Webb, go to your store. Hey, we can do that now.
You're on camera.
Go,
Here.
Cameron, see. Mr. Webb, get Cameron. Mr.
Cameron, come back over here.
I will snitch on you. I don't care. Mr. Webb, get Cameron. Mr. Webb.
He's blowing.
Are you recording this?
Yes. I told y'all I was recording.
I broke the noodle.
We can see that.
No, Mr. Webb. Mr. Webb, better watch Cameron.
Look at them.
Hey guys. Hey. I'm in your video.
You got it.
No.
Ew, no. Okay, you guys are on camera.
So what are we gonna do?
All the
Should we
sin
break it?
is crossed.
Should we break it so it'll stick? Cause
No.
Oh,
You
God.
gotta. Can you stick it in there
Jesus,
first?
Lord Jesus, please. Watch yourself.
No, get it closer. Get it closer.
The thing's coming off the frame.
This is a critical moment.
Stick it up as far as you can.
I am.
Okay, you poking the noodle. I mean,
wait,
you
wait,
poking
no,
the
wait. If it
marshmallow.
goes up, we can push it back down.
Oh, okay.
Be careful, be careful.
You can keep it going.
This is very,
Now
very,
bring it.
very severely critical.
Yay!
Yay!
Ever.
You deserve a high five, Cameron. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Don't say.
Shakira, all we see are your arms just going floppity flop flop flop.
Alright, don't say it tomorrow. We might actually have a chance of this, y'all.
Hey, did you try shaking it? Wait, why? They tell us to do it upside down.
They wanted us to do it on purpose to be at fault. That's my name.
Because ours is stuck to the bottom.
All right.
Your eyes are
Last 10 seconds. 12.
So now.
Oh. It lasts for like 5 seconds.